Very good evening, ma'am, from my side.
Good evening to
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Ma'am, sorry.
I'm saying, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, ma'am. And what about you, ma'am?
That's really great. I'm also good by God's grace. Thank you so much for asking to me.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, should I start? Yeah, you should ask.
No, no. So you just please just try to give me a short introductions, okay? And after that, you can ask me whatever you want to ask, any query related English stuff. So definitely, I would like to reply to you.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. My name is Ganesh, ma'am, from Delhi. As I know that you know very well about Delhi, capital place. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. And if you talk about my studies, I'm doing BBA second year, man. And I want to learn English and I want to become a fluency speaker. So that's why I dropped message that group. Can you talk once time? Then I learn. Then I get so
It's
many things of
okay.
you
It's okay.
from you.
Okay. So have you aware about that I'm recording this conversation? Is it okay for you?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Actually, I have seen all. I am seeing also who am I, like what I am saying to you. My speak is very well or not.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. So what
Yes,
kind of queries do you wanna ask me? Please
yes. I
shoot
wanna
your
ask.
question.
Yes, ma'am. I wanna ask you. First of all, tell me about how to get confidence, how to good vocabulary, and how to get skills developed. As I know about you, you also make video from YouTube, and I have seen so many times your video, and I also like what we call black the what we call ganchi black like this. Okay, I don't know particular what we call in English, but so that's why I want to know
It's okay. You
about.
can tell me. You can, if you are not comfortable in speak in English, if it's okay, you can ask me in Hindi as well. It's okay. Because
But
if I'm not
I'm
getting the
able.
questions, if I'm not getting the questions, how can I reply to you? So it is very, very necessary for me to know actually about the questions.
Okay, I'm telling you, ma'am, when I get chance for speaking, okay, sometimes I'm able to speak, but sometimes I'm not able to speak because of I have no confidence. Okay, I'm not able to good vocabulary in front of people, and I don't have so much confidence while speaking. So I would like to ask you from you, as I know that you also make video from YouTube. So you know very well how can I develop skills and how can I develop confidence. So I hope you got my point.
Yeah, of course, I got it. Your questions, all questions you want to know that about skills, how to improve the skills, how to improve the vocabulary, how to gain the confidence, and you are fumbling sometimes when you are trying to speaking at that time. Please just try to mute the mic.
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. Okay. So, for that things, actually, I am continuing this call like till 20 minutes because I don't have time at 7 o'clock, as I already mentioned, that I am meeting. But it's okay, I just continue. So, for the if you want to improve the vocabulary, okay, I'm just sending to you
Yes, ma'am.
videos. You also can search on my YouTube channel how to improve the vocabulary. You can watch that video. And about the confidence, how to gain the confidence as well, you also can watch that video as well. But I am I'm telling to you how to improve the skills. Okay, how to improve the skills. I am just giving to you two answer how to improve the skills. Is like you are firmly to speak in English because you don't have words too much. Okay. So firstly, I just go on the fumbling of the speaking. When you are trying to speak to someone at that time, you are really so much confused. This is the question. Am I right? Am I right, sir? Okay, that's cool.
Yes, ma'am, you are right.
So, just first of all, I would like to suggest you one, please, please. Okay, don't do that, please. Don't hesitate to yourself and don't judge yourself. If you are speaking to someone at that time, you're thinking a lot that you are speaking really good or not. Am I right or not? Am I
Yeah,
right or
ma'am, you are
not?
right.
You
Yes,
are
ma'am, you are
judging,
right
means you
saying.
are thinking about you that Rahul is speaking really very good or not. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. You are.
Yeah. Please just unmute the mic. Yeah, what you
Yes, ma'am, you
asking?
are right saying. Yes, ma'am,
Exactly.
you are right saying everything.
That's really great. So that's why I'm suggesting to you, whenever you are talking to someone, just try to be comfortable yourself. Just try to be freely. Just try to lose and just try to go on the freely motions, freely zone, and just try to think about you that you are learner. You are learning this language. Okay. You are learning this language. You are not good at English, but you are trying to be good at English, and that's why you are trying to speak in English. Okay, so it's mean in this level you are a learner. Okay, you are not a perfect, you are not a professionally speaker, you are not like as a native speaker, and that's why. And first thing is just try to come on the comfortable zone when you are interacting to someone, especially when you are trying to speak in English. Second tips, just try to think about you that you are a king. Okay, you are a king and you are the student, that students trying to learn this language, and in this language I'm the best. I'm the best student to speak in English. Third tips I gonna share with you. Don't judge yourself while the speaking time. If someone is really amazing speaker in than you, okay, according to you that speaker is really very amazing and you are not good, according to that person, okay, in these situations what will you do? You please don't do that. Don't judge yourself. Don't be think that you are not good, you are really speaking very bad, and that person is really very amazing speaking in front side of you. You just think, whenever you just try to think, trying to judging yourself, just think only one. No, I don't want to lose my confidence, I don't want to lose my hope, and I am students, I'm doing really great, I am learner, so I'm speaking very best. And four things, you have to promise to yourself, you have to promise yourself, whenever you are speaking to someone, at that time just try to think that I'm a king, and definitely whatever that person also thinking about me, that I'm not good or bad, don't be think, just think like you, that now you just got a chance to speak someone, so definitely just try to speak, just try to make a good conversation. Don't don't be think that you have really very good vocabulary or not, you are very good or not. Don't be think, just try to think that I'm speaking, I'm practicing now while the speaking time. If we will do like that, definitely, gradually you are gaining confidence in you and you are speaking very well. When you are gaining fluency in this language, and definitely no one can stop you. Rahul, please just stop that. Everyone's saying to you, everyone's saying to you that please just go ahead. I wanna listen, Rahul. So for that things you have to do only one exercise, which I already shared with you 4 points. Okay. First is don't lose yourself. Second is don't judge yourself. Third thing is what?
Uh,
Unmute the mic, please. Yeah. Unmute the
Confidence.
mic, please. Confidence.
Confidence.
Okay. Yeah. And don't be thinking that you just think that you are a learner. Okay.
But you know,
If
ma'am, I would like to tell you about if we have environment, we can use speak English. If we don't have environment, so how can I get confidence? How can I develop skills? but we should have must environment.
Okay, sure, why not? That's really great questions. If you want to create the environment, you just watch my YouTube videos, and in that video, in two videos, I already shared two Telegram links. Two Telegram links. You can join here. Just try to click once, and you can add here. You can join by that links, and by the Telegram group links, you also can get easily environment. Don't give any kind of excuse to yourself. If you want to learn English communications, so definitely you can get easily environment if you want to do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I have no words for you, but I would like to tell you, ma'am, thank you so much. But I want to say, ma'am, send me personally link, and I will join over there. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Really. But
Definitely
ma'am,
I gonna try.
whenever you have time for talking on video call on Skype, so please talk to me. Okay.
Okay, sure,
I'm
why not?
also
Sure.
I'm also great. I'm also gain myself. So thank you so much, really, ma'am.
Definitely. And I will send this recording on my YouTube channel. Is it okay for you?
Sorry.
Unmute the
Yes, ma'am.
mic.
Please send me. Yes, ma'am. I request you. I humble
Oh,
request you.
that's
Send
really
me.
great.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
But ma'am,
So I will send this recording tomorrow. You can watch this recording tomorrow in morning 9 o'clock. Okay.